Hello everyone! The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is one of the most talked about vehicles in the world, and the moment you see it, you understand why. It looks nothing like a traditional pickup truck. Instead of curves and chrome, the Cybertruck uses sharp angles, flat surfaces, and the futuristic design that feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Love it or hate it, there's no denying that it grabs attention instantly and challenges everything people expect from a truck. The exterior design is built around Tesla's ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton. This material is not just for looks, it's designed for durability, resistance to dents, corrosion, and everyday wear. The body panels feel solid and industrial, giving the Cybertruck a rugged, almost armored presence. The straight lines and geometric shape also serve a functional purpose, helping simplify manufacturing while improving strength. The full-width LED light bar at the front and rear adds a clean, modern identity and makes the truck instantly recognizable day or night. Size-wise, the Cybertruck sits firmly in the full-size pickup category. It has a wide stance and high ground clearance, which gives it a commanding road presence. Despite its unconventional shape, the proportions work well for a pickup, offering a large bed and a spacious cabin. The bed, often referred to as the vault, is fully enclosed and lockable, adding security that traditional open beds can't offer. It's designed to handle heavy loads, tools, and gear while protecting them from weather and theft. Underneath the radical design, the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is all about electric performance. Tesla offers multiple motor configurations, including dual-motor all-wheel drive and tri-motor setups. Acceleration is shockingly quick for a vehicle of this size. Press the accelerator and the truck launches forward with instant torque, a signature advantage of electric vehicles. Even when fully loaded, the Cybertruck feels strong and responsive, making highway merging and overtaking effortless. Towing capability is a major focus, and the Cybertruck is engineered to compete with traditional gasoline and diesel trucks. Thanks to its electric motors and strong chassis, it can tow heavy trailers with confidence. The instant torque makes pulling loads feel smooth and controlled, especially from a standstill. Advanced towing features, including trailer stability systems and multiple camera views, help drivers manage large loads with more confidence and less stress. Off-road capability is another area where the Cybertruck surprises many people. Adjustable air suspension allows the truck to raise or lower itself depending on driving conditions. This means you can increase ground clearance for trails and rough terrain, or lower it for easier entry and improved aerodynamics on the highway. All-wheel drive systems intelligently distribute power to each wheel, improving traction on sand, mud, snow, and rocky surfaces. The Cybertruck may look futuristic, but it's built to handle real-world challenges. Inside the cabin, Tesla's minimalist philosophy continues. The interior feels clean, open, and modern. Instead of a traditional dashboard filled with buttons, nearly everything is controlled through a large central touchscreen. This screen manages navigation, climate control, media, vehicle settings, and driving information. While this design may take some getting used to, it creates a simple and uncluttered environment that feels very different from traditional trucks. Seating is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The flat floor, made possible by the electric platform, improves comfort and makes the cabin feel more open. Materials are designed to be durable and easy to clean, fitting the Cybertruck's work-ready image. The cabin also feels quiet thanks to the electric powertrain, reducing noise and vibration compared to conventional trucks. Technology is one of the Cybertruck's biggest strengths. Advanced driver assistance features come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and Tesla's constantly evolving autopilot system. Over-the-air software updates mean the truck can improve over time, adding new features or refining existing ones without a visit to the service center. This makes ownership feel dynamic rather than static. Range and charging are key considerations for an electric truck, and Tesla addresses this with large battery packs and access to its extensive supercharger network. The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck offers competitive driving range, making it practical for daily use as well as longer trips. Fast charging allows drivers to add significant range in a short amount of time, reducing downtime during road trips or workdays. Practical features extend beyond performance and technology. The Cybertruck includes power outlets that allow it to act as a mobile power source, which is extremely useful for job sites, camping, or emergencies. The bed is designed with built-in lighting, storage solutions, and a strong load capacity, making it just as useful as traditional pickups for real work. Safety is also a major focus. The rigid exoskeleton, low center of gravity from the battery placement, and advanced safety systems all contribute to strong occupant protection. Tesla's focus on crash safety and active driver assistance helps make the Cybertruck feel secure in everyday driving conditions. What truly sets the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck apart is how different it is from anything else on the road. It's not just an electric version of a pickup truck, it's a complete rethinking of what a truck can be. It combines extreme performance, cutting-edge technology, rugged capability, and a bold design that refuses to blend in. In the end, the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is for drivers who want innovation, performance, and a statement-making vehicle all in one. It challenges tradition, pushes boundaries, and offers a glimpse into the future of trucks. Whether you see it as revolutionary or controversial, one thing is certain: the Cybertruck is impossible to ignore, and it represents a major shift in how pickup trucks are designed, powered, and experienced.